Have you ever planned a fun dessert night or family gathering, only to realize that melted chocolate cools too quickly or cheese fondue turns into a thick, messy blob before everyone get a chance to enjoy it? That's a common problem with traditional fondue setups, and it's exactly what the Nostalgia Electric Fondue Pot is designed to solve. Whether you're hosting friends, planning a family movie night, celebrating birthdays, or simply looking for a more interactive way to enjoy meals and desserts, the Nostalgia Electric Fondue Pot offers a simple way to bring people together. It's designed for both sweet and savory recipes, making it much more versatile than many people expect. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is its classic stainless steel finish. It has a clean, timeless look that feels equally at home on a kitchen counter or as the centerpiece of a dining table during parties. The pot feels solid without being overly heavy, and the cool touch side handles make it much easier to move safely, even while the contents are warm. It also comes with 8 color-coded fondue forks and a support ring, which is a thoughtful addition because everyone can easily keep track of their own fork without confusion. Using the fondue pot is refreshingly straightforward. There's no complicated setup or confusing menu system. Simply plug it in, adjust the temperature dial, and allow your ingredients to melt or heat. The blue illuminated temperature control makes it easy to see when the unit is operating, while the adjustable heat allows you to maintain the right consistency throughout your gathering. That's particularly useful because chocolate, cheese, and broth all require slightly different temperatures to stay smooth without burning. Performance is where this appliance really shines during real-life entertaining. Instead of constantly reheating chocolate in a microwave or returning cheese to the stove, the electric heating system keeps everything at a steady serving temperature. That means guests can enjoy dipping strawberries, marshmallows, cookies, bread cubes, vegetables, or cooked meats whenever they're ready without rushing before the fondue hardens. It transforms what could be a stressful hosting experience into something much more relaxed and enjoyable. The 2-quart capacity is well suited for small family dinners, couples, or gatherings with several friends. It holds enough chocolate for dessert parties or enough cheese for appetizers without feeling oversized. Since the temperature remains consistent, you're free to spend more time talking with guests instead of constantly checking the pot. That's one of those benefits you don't fully appreciate until you've hosted a few fondue nights. Cleanup is another area where this fondue pot keeps things practical. Once everything has cooled, the removable pot and detachable accessories can be cleaned easily, and many components are dishwasher safe. Considering how sticky melted chocolate and cheese can become, having removable parts makes a noticeable difference in reducing cleanup time after entertaining. Of course, no product is perfect. While the 2-quart capacity works well for most families, larger parties may require refilling if you're serving many guests over an extended period. It also isn't intended for deep frying or high-temperature cooking, so it's best used specifically for fondue recipes rather than as a multi-purpose cooker. Following the recommended temperature settings also helps prevent chocolate from overheating or cheese from separating. Compared with similarly priced electric fondue pots from brands like Cuisinart, Hamilton Beach, or Swissmar, the Nostalgia model offers an appealing combination of attractive design, adjustable temperature control, a complete accessory set, and reliable everyday performance. While premium models may include additional settings or slightly larger capacities, the Nostalgia provides everything most households actually need for enjoyable fondue nights at a very reasonable price. If this review helped you decide whether the Nostalgia Electric Fondue Pot is right for your home, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest product reviews every week. And if you're ready to make your next family gathering a little more memorable, check out the link in the description to see the latest price and availability before any current offers end.